Nutritional powerhouse. Eggs are renowned for being a nutritional powerhouse, providing a wide array of essential nutrients necessary for a child's healthy development. From protein to vitamins and minerals, eggs offer a well-rounded source of nutrition in a single food item. Complete protein. As mentioned earlier, eggs are an excellent source of complete protein, containing all the essential amino acids required for growth and repair. This aspect is particularly crucial during childhood, as children's bodies are constantly growing and developing. Vitamins and minerals. Eggs are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B12, iron, and zinc. These nutrients play vital roles in various bodily functions, such as immune function, bone health, and energy metabolism. Brain development and cognitive function. Choline, a nutrient found abundantly in eggs, is essential for brain development and cognitive function in children. It aids in memory, learning, and overall brain health, making it a valuable component of a child's diet. Healthy fats. Contrary to past misconceptions, eggs contain healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health, brain function, and overall growth in children. Including eggs in a child's diet contributes to their intake of these essential fatty acids. Satiety and weight management. The combination of protein and healthy fats in eggs helps children feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating and aiding in weight management. Starting the day with an egg-based breakfast can help regulate appetite throughout the day. Improved eye health. Eggs are a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are particularly beneficial for eye health. Regular consumption of eggs may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and other vision-related issues. Muscle development and repair. Protein is essential for muscle development and repair, making eggs an ideal food choice for children, especially those engaged in physical activities or sports. Including eggs in post-exercise meals helps support muscle recovery and growth. Versatility in cooking. Eggs are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in numerous ways to suit children's preferences. From simple scrambled eggs to more elaborate dishes like omelets, frittatas, or egg muffins, there are plenty of options to keep mealtime exciting. Budget-friendly option. Eggs are a cost-effective source of high-quality nutrition, making them an excellent choice for families on a budget. Compared to other protein sources, such as meat or fish, eggs offer significant nutritional value at a lower cost. Quick and easy preparation. With today's busy lifestyles, convenience is key for many families. Eggs are quick and easy to prepare, requiring minimal time and effort in the kitchen. This makes them an ideal choice for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks, even on the busiest of days.